Before we begin, please do not listen to this recording while driving, operating machinery, or doing anything that requires your full attention. This is a short daytime rest session designed to restore your energy and reset your nervous system. You'll come back feeling alert and refreshed, not sleepy. So maybe find somewhere you can lie or sit down comfortably and just give yourself this time. Hello and welcome. I'm Claire Addis, a clinical hypnotherapist and strategic psychotherapist. This session is based on the Andrew Huberman protocol called NSDR, non-sleep deep rest. It's something I recommend to my clients, so I've made this recording so you can use it at any time that you need. NSDR takes advantage of two things your nervous system already knows how to do. First, a specific breathing pattern that slows the heart rate and shifts the brain out of thinking mode. The second, the ability to deliberately direct your attention to specific sensations in your body. When you do both of these things together, the nervous system moves into a state of deep rest. Not sleep, something different. A quality of restoration that most of us rarely give ourselves during the day. You'll be back, alert and refreshed in about 15 minutes. So let's begin. So if you haven't already, just find a comfortable position, seated or lying down, somewhere your body is fully supported. And just let your eyes close. And for the next few minutes, there's nowhere else you need to be. Nothing you need to do. Nothing you need to think about. Just this. We're going to start with a specific breathing pattern. This breath has an immediate effect on the nervous system. It slows the heart rate down and begins to shift the brain from thinking to sensing. So when you're ready, take a long, deep breath in through your nose and then exhale completely through your mouth through slightly pursed lips, as if you were breathing out through a small straw. Slowly, all the way out. Good. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through those pursed lips, emptying the lungs completely. And one more time. Breathing in fully through your nose and out slowly all the way. That long exhale through those pursed lips, activating the parasympathetic nervous system, that rest and restore branch. You've just told your nervous system it's safe to rest. And from here you can just breathe normally. No effort, no pattern, just easy, natural breath. And now what I want you to do, in your mind's eye, is I want you to imagine a soft spotlight. And I want you to direct that spotlight down to your feet, focusing your attention on the soles of your feet. Whatever they're in contact with right now, socks, shoes, the floor, the air, just noticing what they're sensing. It might be warmth, or pressure, or tingling. It might feel quite natural. It doesn't matter, just notice. Now expand that spotlight to include the top of your feet, your ankles, your shins, your calves, and now the thighs, the hamstrings, all the way up to your waist. Your entire lower body now inside that spotlight. And you can take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale slowly through those pursed lips. And as you do, just imagine that lower body just sinking just slightly into the surface beneath you. That's right. Letting go. And now you can move the spotlight up. And now you can move the spotlight up to your abdomen. Notice the gentle rise and fall as you breathe. As you inhale, the belly moves out slightly. As you exhale, it settles back down. So expand the spotlight now to include your chest, your rib cage, your neck, and now your arms, both arms, from the shoulders all the way to your fingertips. Just noticing what's there. Whatever sensations are present, just observing them. And then take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale slowly through those pursed lips. And as you do, feeling that upper body settling, releasing, sinking a little deeper. And now bring your attention to your back. Points where your back is in contact with whatever is supporting you right now. Maybe it's a chair, a bed, a sofa, the floor. Just notice those contact points. The pressure, the warmth, the support. And take a breath in through the nose and exhale fully through pursed lips, letting that back soften into that support. That's right. And now you can move that spotlight all the way to your face. The muscles around your eyes, the jaw, the forehead. See if you can let those muscles soften even just a little bit. The top and the back of your head. And as you just continue to breathe normally, see if you can just extend each exhale just slightly longer than the inhale. That's right. And now in your mind's eye, expand that spotlight to include your entire body. From the top of your head, all the way down to the soles of your feet. Your whole body, illuminated, held, resting. And now gently begin to dim that spotlight, making the light a little softer, a little less intense. Taking one more deep breath in and exhale completely through pursed lips. And as you do, just imagine your whole body sinking just a little deeper into whatever is beneath you. That's right. And here, in this state, you're giving your nervous system something it rarely gets. Complete permission to rest, not sleep, something different. A deep restorative stillness where the brain can consolidate, where the body can recover, where the stresses of the day can begin to dissolve. You are in control of your nervous system. You directed your attention and it responded. This is an absolute skill. And the more that you practice it, the more quickly and easily your system learns to rest. Just resting here, now. That's right. And now beginning to return. In your own time, maybe gently moving your toes and your ankles, just a small movement. Maybe bend your knees slightly and release. Move your upper body gently from side to side. Maybe your head, just a nod or a turn. You could lift your arms slightly and just set them back down again. You're the one who's in control of your nervous system. You direct where your attention goes and how your body responds. So take a breath in and let it out fully. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. And just take a moment before you move. Welcome back. And you've just given your nervous system a genuine rest. So you can take that with you into the rest of your day.